Many people want to know if installing wheel spacers will negatively impact the car's incredible handling and ride quality. The good news is that installing properly fitted, high-quality wheel spacers on your vehicle will improve the handling, ride comfort, or performance. That's why wheel spacers don't cause issues, as long as the wheel spacers matches your car bolt pattern and hub bolt. It will be positioned the wheels precisely where they need to be without disrupting alignment. Reputable wheel spacer manufacturers pay close attention to these specifications. Improperly installed spacers can throw off your wheel balance, leading to vibration in the steering wheel and chassis. Hub-centric quality wheel spacers can maintain proper balance. Installed hub-centric wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, hub-centric wheel spacers are designed with a hub-centric ring in the center that fits perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it flush against the mounting plate. These wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing the minimum change of vibration. BONOSS wheel spacers have a multi-stage hub-centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Besides, BONOSS FT cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of FTly dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Overall, high-quality wheel spacers properly installed have a little effect on ride quality for most daily driving. As always, quality wheel spacers will enhance ride quality.
If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.